Force, Energy and Simple Machine, Chapter 7, Class 5. Force. Basically, it is a push or pull acting upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. Means push or pull, which acts upon an object and as a result of its interaction with another object, some effect is produced. In the given pic, you can see a horse is pulling a cart, and in the tug of war, both teams are pulling a rope towards them. Force. Force in physics. Physics, it is a branch of science, and it is a quantity that may change the state of motion of an object. Children, SI unit means Standard International Unit for the force is Newton, and 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram meter per second square. Now children, we have to understand what can force do to motion. Force can make an object to move. You can see from the pic, the boy is pushing the cart and the cart is moved. Force can make an object to move. A force can change the direction of moving object. In the play of football or hockey, the force can change the direction of the moving ball. A force can make a moving object to stop. When we apply force on any moving object, then the object may stop. You can see in the pic, the boy is stopping a moving football. Now we will study about the types of forces. Net force. This is also known as resultant force. A single force that acts and causes a change in the state of motion of an object, so that is called net force or resultant force. Balanced forces. When the net force acting on the object is zero and no changes in the state of motions are produced, such forces are called balanced. You can see from the pic, from the both side equal forces are exerted, so the resultant force is zero. Unbalanced forces. When the net force is not equal to zero, then the force, unbalanced force, produces accelerations. And you can see from the pic, because of unbalanced forces, the object move. And unbalanced forces produces some effect. Now balanced forces versus unbalanced forces. Balanced forces, in the first pic, the balanced forces 300 Newton from both sides. So net result is 0. And in the second pic, the forces are unbalanced, 400 Newton and 300 Newton. So 100 Newton force produces effect. Contact forces. Contact forces means when the two objects are in contact with each other. For this type of forces, the two objects, the one which is exerting force and the object on which the force is exerted, must be in contact with each other. Types of contact forces. There are contact forces that exert force by touching. For example, in the pic, when the girl is pushed the second girl away, so the second girl can't get the toy. So here the contact between the two girls is must. Applied force. A force applied to an object by another object or by a person. The direction of the applied force depends on how the force is applied. Normal force or support force. A force perpendicular to the surface of contact. Such force is called normal force, or it is also called thrust. Air resistance force. This is a special type of frictional force which acts upon object as they travel through the air, and it always opposes the motion of the object. For example, the person is using parachute, person is traveling in the space, and aeroplane is flying in the air. Tensional force. The force transmitted through a string rope or wire when it is pulled tight by forces acting at each end, and the direction of such force is always away from the object. Such force is known as tensional force. Spring force. The force exerted by compressed or stretched spring upon any object which is attached to it. Such type of force is called spring force, and this type of force is first studied by Robert Hooke, scientist. Frictional force. The force exerted by a surface as an object moves across it or makes an effort to move across it. And this frictional force opposes the motion of the object. It always acts parallel to the surface in contact and opposite the direction of motion of the object. You can see from the pic, whenever any object moves over any surface, then the frictional force, opposite force, always acts in the opposite direction of the motion of the object. Non-contact forces. The forces exist even when there is no direct contact between the two objects. Such forces are non-contact forces. Gravitational force. This is also known as weight. W equal to mg. M is the mass, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and its value is 9.8 meter per second square. The force with which the earth, moon, or other massive body attracts an object towards itself. Such forces is called gravitational force. Because of gravitational force, apple always falls downward, or any fruit always falls downward. Electrical force. The force that exists between the charges, attractive or repulsive. Electrical force, that is called electrical force, and it is also called electrostatic force, and it is also non-contact forces. Magnetic force. Force that exists in magnets makes magnet attract or repel object. Such force is magnetic force, and magnetic force is also non-contact forces because a magnet attracts magnetic substance from a distance.